Yes.
So, at the master city, I know that directed that the supreme witness to reduce its evidence, its testimony, into protection. And the witness have done that. Even the witness statement is in the first person. Yes, please. Yes. The witness statement for the post on the 29th of April. So it will adopt it and then the defendant can go ahead with the clause.
Yes, we're waiting for you.
Hello. Yes, the son of the tree. But everything from this to that. My son. Which one? Yes.
Was served on you on 5th.
After saying it's not close. And it starts with a well, I can't see for that. What's the purpose of that? So, it's not that's by almost it's out of the last.
What? Let's start. Mr. Abu, why are you just saying this? It's not good. You're always doing this. The people will fight papers you don't serve. And I have said this at the last. Better. This transformation. Hold on. And this man comes from the university. He was here the last day. He's here today. You want to waste time? Hold on. Let me call first. Okay, Clement, not the same day to the other party. Mr. Ago, you raised this issue on the last date. And I clarify that the witness is not coming to produce documents. The witness is coming to testify. You are supposed to guide the witness to do his deposition and ensure that it is served on the other party. It is not the business of the court to swear to witness depositions. The court has nothing to do with that. So you can't shift your obligation to the top of the left. That means you abandon the witness after the first. That's what it means. The issue is, why was the defendant not served timely? You know, this case has been adjourned several times for trial. You're wasting your time. Let's proceed. No, there are no notices. It's not necessary.
The registry expecting that it was notarized and the place would have come here personally well before it is not approved here and not put it by any public here that I think that's what for it's not that when sending this talk maybe if in advance if I follow up with him I can say it's not that it's more before a note and not that sending thing for file which she can send it because it was one before you.
Yes, let's make progress.
Fair to expose that we impose a regular statement on oath on the 29th of April 2026 before the body shall stop. Yes, I think.
Yes,
They also confirm that we can identify the statement by the name and signature. Yes, sir.
yes,
In paragraph 16 of your witness deposition, you will mention the photocopy of the document that was attached.
Mr. Onoyasin. That is not the procedure.
Do you adopt the statement of oath as given before this?
Yes, sir. I saw it too. It can be attached. That should come under their list of documents.
Witness sign.
I've recorded.
Oh.
If it's an exhibit, it has to be formal.
You made reference to the document that was dispatched to the first defendant via only. Do you confirm that, sir?
Yes,
You dispatched the external assessment, the original to the tool To the first defendant.
Hold on. What was the last question?
The defendant.
I just want to get the question. I got you wrong.
The paragraph 15.
Yes.
A witness on oath.
Yes.
They confess that he has committed.
Oh, I didn't get it that.
Or paragraph 16 and 17. Sets of documents were dispatched to full.
Yes. So what's the follow-up question?
For the original that you dispatched to his full.
Yes.
Along with 6 to 10 of photocopies that we have.
Awesome. Register. I think it's making me check which of the system is making. Would you like to sit? You can sit if you want to. You can reserve your objection to the final address so we can make progress. So that you don't, yes, you can take time to study it and make it. And that goes to all documents of the tender on both sides. All objections to be taken in the final address. So you're not foreclosed. Hold on. I'm still recording my interaction with Mr. Joseph. We are trying to explain. You gave me a bound document. Yeah. So how do I don't have the capacity to separate it. So if you know there are two different documents, you give it back to counsel to separate. You can't separate your document. I don't know what it is. You get the registrar document. Is it the same?
The same document.
Please show Mr. Adesoye, registrar. No, hold on, hold your own. Show Mr. Adesoye. We need a stop line to stop all that. Okay. Just check it to sure that it's stable. Please give it to her to be stable. Stable, please. Just to be in sense. Thank you. See that. It's true. The Federal University of Ekiti guidelines for appraisals, appointments, and promotions of academic staff, and the witness assessment report to the first defendant dated 8 October 2024 are received evidence and marked respectively as exhibits 1 and 2. The guidelines, exhibit 1, while the assessment report, exhibit 2. Yes, proceed. Just proceed. Proceed. How long has it been? You can sit if you are comfortable, please. Okay. Yes.
The most significant in the comments, about emotional development, external assessment. You have to be the first of the story with adults. With explaining the best type of response, stuff and explaining and build.
Yes.
Which is not best families, you find jobs, mental exercise of extra session.
Yes.
But for instead of to invest better invest of 1 year, because
Yes.
food, we are really, I think we are not, but I don't have the secret or condition to start. The level of the area in this of the area. I'm not sure about the matter. I will establish that. Next week.
Hold on. Yes, you want to explain?
Of the doing assessment since 2021. Then you go to it's different universities and each have their own different guidelines. What's right?
Yes.
primary exam skill with procedure understanding. Since we're different, as well, we're all different, and so I have to read the guidelines and find different guidelines. But I'm not an expert in the year that it's the guidelines itself. I mean, these different guidelines, every university. So that's it.
Yes.
Uh, probably 3 months to assessments, what's it called? On the evidence, speak for an example. I agree.
Yes.
Let me write people say, I mean, what skills the ideas in human, but don't go during the assessment process. What's the item?
Yes.
Let me write people say, um, 3 months, this was. Those are about a little like influence. Phone by external person. It will seem so, but the university did not listen to different professors. So I did wonder why I'm going to be disciplined for the course. My question is that we are doing that was actually our play was like 80 afternoon about okay. Well, sure, I mean, I can't see for her.
Yes.
So, right, the copy of the course from the system incorporates. You know, not like, not like, it's really less.
What's your answer to go back? You sent to the university. Yes.
Well, we contracted or completed with the payment. So you are aware of your final report and assessment over promotion assessment. It's okay. Yes.
Yes.
And you surprise because like it's okay. Also, you compare speaking of the down process. Yes. Speak of identity of external system from your sales force, it's and it's compromise the integrity of the report or person. So the speak of the standard being associated. Generally, there's confidentiality in the process. It's really the best in the standard system. Yes. Now, it's crucial of that identity to be it can be used to which to apply out an internal assessment and be combined several products in academic. If it's found out, I write it first and it compromised. Potentially, because it's supposed to be confidential, but it doesn't really affect how the professor gives it back because for the general academic, it's very sensitive, but potentially someone.
Sorry to just interject. I think it's asking opinion, and I don't think opinion is required.
No,
yes, it should just confine itself to the statement of the witness.
Because the initial question is to
Yeah, but you can't ask an opinion because he's not here as an expert. No, he's not an expert witness. He didn't say so. He's here as an assessor, one of the assessors of the claimants, not as an expert. He wasn't summoned as an expert witness. You must get those two positions clear. Go on, please. Yes.
well, that you are limited to reviewing the material provided by the best yes.
Yes.
Personally, the line experience of no, I just evaluate documentation. That's all. The documents presented to me, I evaluate it. That's all.
Yes.
Right? Cannot be evidence or you are not aware of prior decisions that led to submission of this documentation.
The witness has said it is limited to the documents provided, which is the basis of his assessment. Please. Mr. Desio, I will not allow the question. The witness says he was given the documents and he assessed. He's not the decision maker. He's not part of the university. The university said, please assess and forward. What the university does with it is university's prerogative. Yes, ask. At least you have been served since 2 days and you can have time to do it. Because I don't want the witness to come back so he can focus on his job. These are not strange documents. They're not strange documents. Yes. As I did show you, let's make progress. It would be unfair to require him to come back a third time. It's not a risk. You had asked for a stand down and has stood this matter down. So let's make progress. If you want a further stand down, I can stand down for you. But this witness will not come back on the next date. I can stand down for you again, but I won't adjourn the case for this witness. Yes, Mr. Nojasin. Counsel is asking for a stand down. This case is further stood down to enable the defendant's counsel study the exhibits. Prof, I'm sorry, just stand down a little. Yes. Take the next account ready. Let's put in your witness. Registrar, please swear the witness for the election. Where is beside it? Where's beside it? Where's the 2 minutes?
Hello, doctor. Yes,
Can you hear me?
very
They
well.
have
No, go ahead. No, you're my friend. So I have dispersed everybody because of you. So you have a whole day to yourself. Please register.
This. I want to. Every part. Confirm with the fact documents sent along with or send it one back. No, I didn't think I sent all of it. So it's only just eight. That's the problem with the send. So now in it we see. Your external assessment for the proof of that. It's not detailed. From the first page, that stated that it wasn't only el Lagos, Pereira, Peter, we online. Yes, and we start off really new regulatory support. On this criteria across it shows it was very. Yes, I yes, document. Now, set it up. Yeah. What one thing box, right? It's not big. Now, if you look at and one, very nice. Yes. Now, you are going to see for guideline. They are what to the small competition, whether it's solo or joint problem. So, what we do, it's
Page 6.
Yes, sport. And it's still local. It's different. The joint author. No, for joint authors.
Yes.
It shows that the point to score 7% of score for best four. That's that. Right? Percent for others.
It is 7%.
7%. And best
Is the first.
7%. Yes, yes. I'm 7% of 5 points, not 4 points. Yes. Look at it, that's the 5 points.
Is it 7% or 70? Okay. 70% of, yes. Okay. What's your answer? Yes. Yes, and let me hear you.
So when we do,
Hold on.
so when you look at the quality, almost to me, I want to say, you can publish a book with Marvel and Poe or Taylor and Francis. It's not the same. And therefore, where that book is from a high level publisher who are experts in the field, tend to get higher marks. But I really think that 70% is not. But that's 5 points. Yes, I agree. But we will balance that right, right? With the follow up.
Just give me 1 second. Yes.
Guideline from the if you say that point out excellent. One, no.
Yes.
I think so. Like something and discussion. Assessing human not necessarily based on guideline or I'm guided by this if there's anxiety or stress. It's not response for find guideline. Guidelines are guidelines, they guides behavior. They don't prescribe. So as an expert in the field, I can look at something and say, okay, although I will look at working that very timeline. Investments documents they say they want to buy minutes or whatever. And so we're working hard on that outcome. But yes, we could apply our best questions. What's
Yes.
You have seen it. Okay, wonderful. Welcome forward if you are it. Into theory. So, somehow. You confirm that I don't want to go stable. I don't want to stable. So it's I don't want to go. Humans solve certain problems. That's that meaning of that. Yes, and
Hold on, hold on. Confirm that in Roman 4. Hold on. 7, 8.
and you also perform so right for them in this area, despite your opponents. But because she went outside number of time that allowed. Yes, that's correct.
Yes.
So there are some competition submitted by the team when it's qualified on last second.
Yes.
Yes, it was not an popular affairs. It came out on fishing and personality. That's the last after. I saw that in the scene one.
What's the response?
But the university before sending documentation to external department as a process where the departmental appointments and promotion for its ARP committee. The faculty ARP committee. The university ARP committee.
Hold on. The University A and B committee.
Yes.
Yes.
So the departmental ARP, faculty ARP, university ARP, review those documents.
Hold on. A and P or A and B.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. So review those documents and did what?
And then send it for external review. The veracity is not in question.
The veracity of what?
Of those of the documentation they sent to me.
Okay.
So I just review documentation. They send me the document, I look at it. On the face of it, I think I do. The points for positioning and professional specialties. Especially based on the assessment of the university areas, departmental. It was based on documents I was sent. But for those documents I got through the process. So if there's a problem, I'll assume they leave it there. Because the question,
Yes.
those documents, those were these constructed in the test. Or what do I do? They contain all of assessments which is based on what it says is a kind of documentation. CV or OD. I don't get this document saying reviewed by ARP, reviewed by anybody or no. Just get CV and what's it listed as a documentation.
Yes.
It's so fun. This this shut it off if it is one. Let's see like the last six. The last six. The last six. This confirmed to my law that in relation to publications for the position of a senior lecturer to reader, the
In
minimum
relation to, I need to hear your question.
as it confirmed to my law that in relation to promotion from a senior lecturer to reader, so minimum score as it relates to publication, according to the school guideline, is 46. The not look for examination. I will never think that I asked like I never asked the question of the issue, the point or even some the time to that really stated clearly. And I want to. But the present of control thinking that this ordinary should not be the examination question. And not they ask two questions on the publication asking for score 70% of this and rest of publication were disqualified. And I found the meeting this resolution to just as it relates to publications. The school guideline as it relates to publication as a minimum score. Stated on page 15 of the last page.
Mr. Nojason,
Yes.
if it is stated there, it is there. That's documentary evidence. Prof is not part of the university.
I don't know. It's stated at 46. And in your assessment, in your relation to publication, the candidates of 50.
Mr. Nojason,
I just wanted that.
I'm not recording that because it's already in evidence. The assessment is in evidence. The guidelines is in evidence. So it's not a Prof, thank you very much. We appreciate you for your time. Thank you. I discharge. Yes, are you ready with the second witness?
Yes, my lord. The second witness is spot on. A witness to be taken virtually, Professor Akinola.
Yes, maybe you talk to him. So
But I will pray my Lord. I will pray my Lord. I have this prayer. I didn't know. I know.
no, the reason is before we adjourn for today, let me recall our discussion. Part of the reason why we adjourned to today, the court noted the positions, written witness the positions, and the court adjourned to today for continuation of the evidence of the supreme witness and other witnesses, and specifically directed the defendant not to produce their witnesses. So it is for these witnesses. If we can take one of the supreme witnesses who was specifically requested to be interviewed virtually, we can now adjourn for the third witness.
First and foremost, this particular witness, it's not extreme witness. But what
Yes, but
challenge is due to the fact that I have to only concentrate since yesterday night. Due to the fact I have to concentrate on the bundle of documents served on my Lord. I must leave my Lord. I cannot do that. My Lord. I've not looked at
Mr. Adesoye, Mr.
Sorry, sir.
Adesoye, no, you cannot say that. Hold on, please.
I'm begging for another one.
Let me record you so that we'll have
I don't know.
But what I have written is, this case was specifically adjourned to today to take the supreme witness and other witnesses. The claimant's second witness is the reason for the virtual hearing today. There was a specific application to take it, and that is why the case is coming up today for virtual hearing. But we had to conclude with the supreme witness because he has started giving his testimony.
My Lord, as that for 8 hours, have been awaiting for compliance with the order of court.
No, the witness of this, hold on, the evidence of this witness had been sent along with the reply.
There was a procedure, there was an arrangement, there was a priority. The defendant's counsel had to concentrate on witness in the box. My lord, in concentration on witness in the box, we're just.
Adesore, can I beg you?
My
Please.
lord,
You can't say you have not looked at it. The documents were served on you, to confirm they were served on you at the last sitting. The application for today's virtual trial was taken and granted on the last sitting.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Yes. So you can't say you are not prepared for this witness, in respect of whom this case is coming up today.
And that's why my lord, you see that I was able to cooperate with this honorable court. Despite the fact that I was only given 24 hours, my lord, I had to go out, sit down, call the university, my lord. My lord, I have not appealed to the court and to the counsel that case. I've not been able to discuss with the university.
Mr. Najasin, it's your case.
My Lord, I'll be strongly opposing that application for two reasons.
My lord,
That asked me to respond.
my lord, can I record? Yes, my lord.
Recorded you. I recorded it before I said what I said.
The defendants are able to protect the honorable court. The fact that
Pardon?
defendants to their counsel has always completed the honorable court on exhibition hearing of the and they are willing to go on and say, go on to their plea that we without really that is only humble acting to humble acting and the parents counsel. Unlike was we have a form extent in this situation, my lord. Defendant given that properly before the court.
But they say you cannot say that.
If you
Can't say that.
properly before the court,
To come properly before the court.
to conduct. Are you not proper? Yes.
Are you not proper before the court?
It's case that case that examination. Doing trying to pass back on that. Which is our first request. I don't know. Request.
Thank you,
Yes,
my
I'm
Lord.
just
My Lord will be opposing that application. Because as my Lord rightly pointed out, the application for virtual hearing was taken at the last sitting, and today was meant for that particular witness. The witness statement on oath for this case has been with defendant 27th of February, almost 3 months now. And it's even a limited testimony.
Testimony.
The defendant keep referring to bundle of document. My loss. Document. It's just exhibit 1 and 2 are into
evidence this morning.
No bundle of document was served on the defendant. Exhibit 1 and 2 is not a bundle of documents that will become a basis. Finally, my Lord, this even exhibit 1 and 2 have been with the defendants in 2024. Exhibit 1 and 2 defendant since 2024 and 2014. Exhibit 1 and 2, they have been with their custody. So counsel cannot say, you want this familiar.
Hold on now.
Exhibit
since when?
Lord, has been with his defendants since 8 October 2024. And exhibit 1 is their document since October 2014. So he cannot say he doesn't.
Since October 2020.
2, sir, has been with the defendants since October 2024. Over 20 months. Exhibit 1 is their own document.
Anything else?
To the beginning of the section of this, it's not an issue join. So the people they did it when they commented, they should not go around for issues going around. They are now saying the witness that does the start confirm that is that from only the BC, that's all. That this document exists. When you go to unless they are now helping the defendant to show that this case or the professional will not join their orders to the picture of the it's supposed to be guarded with confidentiality. You are not saying it's everywhere with the defendant, other manifestors. And our own prayer now is now saying that the court.
A lot. For me, the cost is enormous. I have been streaming this thing now for over 4 hours. It's at my cost and at the cost of the court. The staff has to be on standby and my system has to be on standby to do this. The witness has been here since 9 a.m. He connected since 9 a.m. As soon as I turned in my system, I heard. And these are public servants. They dedicate out of respect. They are not obliged. All I could do is to issue a warrant. But nobody will execute the warrant against them. Now this way, let's start with the witness. Anyhow you reach, take it out.
I'm grateful, my Lord. Professor Bukola Akinola.
Hold on.
Yes, my Lord.
What I've written is I will take the witness examination in chief and see how the cross-examination progresses. The application for adjournment is refused. So let's register Mrs. Duro, please handle this. Swear the witness. Remind the witness that is going to be sworn. So he will affirm, he will raise up his hand. The registrar will read the words of the affirmation and he affirms and he will be cautioned accordingly.
Yes.
Please, you're going to be sworn in by the registrar of the court. So please be ready.
Thank you. I choose to affirm.
Please raise up your right hand. Please raise up your right hand. And repeat after me. And repeat after me. Hello, Prof.
Yes, I'm here.
Please, the registrar of the court
Is
is
there?
speaking
Louder
so that my Lord can hear you.
Please, let the registrar be audible.
Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hold on, yes. Sound slow.
Prof, please repeat after me. I, your name. Say it,
Hi,
please.
Professor Bukola Akinola.
Hereby affirm
Hereby affirm
that the evidence that I shall give in this case
that the evidence that I shall give in this case
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the all truth,
the whole truth,
the all truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but
The
truth.
whole truth and nothing but the truth.
The all truth and nothing
So
but
help
the
me God.
truth. So help me God.
So help me God.
So help me God.
You, Prof. You can put down your hand.
Okay,
Put
Down your hand. You, Professor Bukola Akinola, I hereby caution that if you tell a lie in your testimony in these proceedings or willfully mislead this court, you are liable to be prosecuted, and if found guilty, you will be seriously dealt with according to the law. Do you understand this?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, I understand.
Thank you. Was the statement filed separately?
On the 27th of February.
I just wanted to be sure if it is part of that book.
It was filed separately from the Abuja jurisdiction and to the court.
Yes, please proceed.
Prof,
Yes.
please tell this honorable court your address. Prof, please tell this court your address.
My official address is at the Faculty of Law, Base University, Abuja.
Connect with your device.
Pick up your system. Please, can you excuse him? Let him share. Let him sit in between.
Please. Sir?
You don't. But do you have the code? Do you have the code? Yes, we sent it to you. Wait, sir, come and give it to me. Give it to him. Give it to him.
Zoom, yes, Zoom. Yes.
Yes, can we proceed? Yes.
Can we proceed?
Yes, I know that's
Okay.
a question.
Prof, please tell this court your
I have it
address.
already. I have it.
Okay, thank you. Where do you work and what is your designation?
I work at Base University in Abuja. My designation is professor. My specialty is law.
Yes.
Please tell this court why you are here.
I am here in respect of my witness statement on oath, which is filed before this court.
Okay, Prof. Let's remind back to the 27th of February 2026. Do you remember signing a witness statement on oath at the registry of this court at Abuja?
Yes, I remember.
If you see a witness statement of that oath, how can you identify it?
My signature is there.
Okay, your signature is there.
Yes.
I'm showing you a copy of that document. Please, what do you want to do with this witness statement on oath?
I wish to adopt it as my evidence in this case.
He has not even identified that statement.
No, I was showing you.
Yeah, but he has not identified
Okay,
it.
Prof, please, my Lord wants you to identify the document I'm showing you through the screen, your witness statement on oath.
Yes,
That carries your name and your signature.
Let me see the signature side, sir.
Okay. I see the signature right now.
Yes, that's my signature. I can see it.
Yes.
So do you adopt this statement as a testimony before this honorable court?
Yes, I adopt it as my testimony before the Honorable Court.
Lord, I'll be all for the witness. Well, great, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, my lord. Professor Akinola,
Yes,
good afternoon again.
good afternoon.
Please, Prof, can you increase your volume a little?
Okay, sir. Good. Thank you, my lord. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
Thank you, my lord.
Please go on.
Thank you, my lord. So you have informed this court today by your statement or note
That you
that you are a professor of law at Base.
Yes, I am currently a professor of law at Base University in Abuja.
But you are not in Abuja.
You said?
But you are not currently in Abuja. You are not within jurisdiction of this court.
I am currently in Abuja.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
But cannot confirm, or rather, you have evidence showing that indeed you employment.
Please mute yourself.
You don't have before this any letter of employment showing you are currently a staff employed by Base University.
I have my letter of appointment as a
Yes, I'm
professor
saying
of law
you
in
don't
Base
have it
University.
before these courts. That's what I'm saying.
I am on oath as being a professor of law with Base University. I stated that on oath. That's my evidence.
You don't have such before these courts. Confirm to this court, you don't have such before this honorable court.
Except you bring evidence to the contrary. I know I'm a professor of law in Base University and I have my letter of appointment.
Okay, but not before this court. We agree. Okay. There's also there's also no document before this honorable showing that you are a deputy or you were once a deputy director in the Nigerian Law School. If you have it, you can show us. But there's nothing as you sit before the court now to show that you were once a deputy director of academics in the Nigerian Law School under the council.
I am on oath. I am on oath.
I agree with you, you're on oath. I said there's no document.
Yes,
just say
I am on oath, and I state again that
sir.
I have served the Nigerian Law School to the capacity of a deputy director of academics. I have my records, and the law school have their records.
Exactly. That record is not before this honorable court. That's what I'm saying.
I wouldn't know that.
It's okay. Also, Prof, apart from your witness statement or note, would you also confirm to this court whether there is any document from Redeemers University, Osun State, Redeemers University, Osun State, showing that you were once in the employment of the university and a former dean of faculty in that university?
Yes, the record before the court is my witness statement or note. It's also a record.
I said, apart from that witness statement, I'm with it. I said, apart from it, do you have any document from that university?
I am on oath to state that I have once worked as a professor in Redeemers University.
Answer the question.
And it's on record.
Yes, but first answer
it's on
the
record
question.
Before the court.
But at least answer the question, then you can answer is on record.
It's on record before the court in my witness statement on oath.
No. The document
of which no one has disproved that I once served the Redeemers University as a professor and dean of law.
Yes, and I believe you're a witness of truth, sir.
Very well.
Yes, I'm also now saying you also confirm to this court, apart from this record in your statement on oath, no document from that university, Redeemers University, is before this court as a witness of truth.
My witness statement on oath contains such record.
No, you don't understand me, sir. I've said we agree you have your statement on oath before this court, but a document from that university, you agree with me as a witness of truth that you don't have any document from that university showing you were a former dean or even in the employ of that university. If you have it here, you can show us that document from that university.
My written statement of witness on oath states that fact which nobody has disproved.
Yes, you say you currently work at the National University Commission accreditation panel.
In which paragraph did I say that?
You should know what that is. Forget your statement or not. I'm asking you a direct question.
You are saying what I did not say.
Okay, look at paragraph 4.
Good.
I read it out to the court hearing. No?
I am a member of the National University Commission NUC accreditation panel. I have served as an external assessor for more than a dozen candidates being considered for promotion to professorial
we are not talking
positions.
about, you said you are a member, not you.
I didn't say I was a member. I am still serving in NUC. They invite us anytime they need our service. That's how it's done. So I'm on their list as a professor. Anytime they need us, they invite us to go for accreditation on their behalf.
And you accredited the first defendant. Is that what you're saying?
I never said I accredited the first defendant.
I'm just asking. So
I never said that.
Okay. Can you kindly confirm to this court the year you became a professor of law?
You said what?
Can you kindly confirm, if you can remember, the year you became a professor?
The year 2020. Yeah. The year 2020.
Okay. Thank you very much. And you also confirm to this court that the claimant participated in promotion exercise in the first defendant in year 2024.
Your question again, please.
And you also confirm to this court that the claimant participated in the promotion exercise for the level of reader in year 2024.
That is not to my knowledge. It wasn't brought for me for assessment.
Okay. So you don't know the claimant, that's what you are saying?
The claimant is a colleague. I know the claimant as an academic in Nigeria. We know ourselves.
Okay. This did the claimant disclose to you why she secured your presence to testify on her behalf as a witness?
The claimant didn't disclose to me. I had a call from Alliance Law Firm requesting me to testify in this case. It wasn't the claimant that called me.
Okay. Yes, Prof. You said you've conducted over a dozen, you've acted as an external assessor for more than a dozen candidates for
Yes,
promotion to professorial positions,
yes.
including candidates from the first defendant?
No,
Okay, thank you very much. Okay. And you also confirmed to me you know Professor Morikayo Adedayo Ayoade.
I know him as a colleague.
Okay. Yes, you would also, as a witness of truth, confirm that he's, especially from the evidence he gave this morning, he's senior to you in terms of attaining the level of professorship.
I don't know anything about when he got his professorship. We never worked together.
Okay. So, Prof, being very conversant with carrying out external assessment as an external assessor, you would confirm to me and to this court that is done under strict confidentiality.
It depends on the stage. Some stages are confidential, some stages are open.
Okay. So it is in accordance to good and proper procedure for the candidates to know the different assessors, external assessors that are carrying out an assessment on his or her candidature. That's what you are saying. It is proper.
The practice is this.
No, is it first proper for the said candidate to know the identity?
That's what I'm about to explain. You have asked a question. Let me explain to you how we do it.
Can you help us answer first, then you now explain to the court? Or you want
What
to
is the
first...
question? What is the question? Because there is a
Alright.
way we do it.
It's okay, sir. Let me repeat myself again. So I'm saying it is good and proper practice for the candidates to know the identity of the various external assessors assigned to carry out external assessment for promotion exercise to level of associate professor or reader. Is it a good, proper procedure according to your experience or according to you?
Yes. In instances where the candidate specialty, where the university doesn't have knowledge of those in that area, the university will request the candidate to send in the name of 5 professors or seniors in that area, out of which the university will now pick 3, where the candidate have a specialty, which is not a general area. So this is the candidate that we are going to request to send us the name, 5 names. Out of the university will now do letter to 3.
Okay. So when you say the candidate, the university, do you mean base university, not the first defendant, Federal University of Oye-Ekiti in this instance?
There is a procedure for promotion from NUC and Council of Legal Education. There are general rules. So what I'm saying is not something that is just restricted to Oye. These are general practice in academic.
Have you seen, okay, the court is writing, let the court finish writing. Have you seen the guideline and rule for Federal University of Oye-Ekiti for assessment of a candidate, the procedure for promotion exercise of a candidate from senior lecturer to reader or associate professor? Have you seen this particular university that you have come to testify about? Have you seen the guideline and the rules governing promotion exercise of a candidate from level of senior lecturer to reader or associate professor? If you have seen it, just say yes. If you have not seen it, say you have not seen it. If you feel, even though you've not seen it, it's the same with every other university, you can also say that, but you first define whether you've seen it or not.
It's on their university website. I saw it last in 2020. It's on their university website. I saw it last in 2020. It's not hidden.
Thank you very much. It's on their university website. And you now confirm as a witness of truth that said guideline says in an instance of this nature where you are here to testify, the claimant will submit 5 different names to the vice chancellor. The claimant, that's what you are saying you saw in that guideline.
I said in specialized fields,
no,
where experts in those areas are not popular. We do request the candidate. The university will request the dean to request the HOD to request the candidate to send the persons in his area, but the final selection is not to the knowledge of the candidate. That's how it's done.
Okay, so you agree with me, you don't even know, Prof, whether this case is a specialized field or not for the claimant. You don't even know.
I know it's a specialized case because she's an expert in energy law. I know. It's a specialized case. There are not many.
Okay.
She's an expert in energy law.
Okay.
It's everywhere. Just type her name on Google. You will see it there. It's nothing new. Everybody have their expertise. And lawyers, academics in energy law, they are few.
Okay. Is an expert in energy. Yes, so now that you know the claimant to the extent she's an expert in energy law, you saw the total documents submitted for assessment to external assessor. I'm asking whether you saw it, since you are sure she's an expert in energy law. Did you see the bundle of documents submitted for assessment by external assessors?
It's not in my line of duty. I've not seen it. It's not in my line of duty. Why would I see it? What for?
Okay. So you would then agree with me that since you didn't see it, you don't know the content of what was in her documentation, in her documents, for which she was vying for the promotion exercise. You don't know the content, whether it's for specialization in one area of law or a general area of, you don't know that content. Since you just confirmed to this court, you did not even see the documents that was submitted for her behalf. Did you, okay, just answer the question. Hello? My lord, I can't see the witness anymore. Maybe we join again. I can't see the witness anymore. Okay. Okay. Maybe a call came in also.
Okay, he's back. Unmute yourself. Prof, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Prof, did you get my last question?
Please take the question again, sir.
I said, since you have confirmed to this court, you did not see the documents submitted on behalf of the claimant for a promotion exercise from senior lecturer to candidate to reader. It means you don't know the content.
I said it's not in my line of duty.
No, yes. I now said you don't know the content of the ground she was being promoted on.
Okay, she has a Google Scholar account.
General law. Sir?
She has a Google Scholar account. All scholars at senior level, we have Google Scholar account. So our publications are there. They are on the website.
Okay.
I'll be lying when I say I didn't know, because I know I've seen a publication on a Google Scholar account.
A publication, yes. Yes, but you are not aware of what was contained in the total documents submitted for promotion.
There is no way I'll be aware. I said it's not in my line of duty.
It's line of duty.
Yes.
Okay. So, if it's not in your line of duty to know the contents, Prof, it means you can tell me if I'm right or wrong. It means you are not certain as to the procedure used in selecting the external assessor used in the claimant's case.
Means you are not
Certain as to the procedure.
As to what?
As to the procedure adopted by the university
Yes.
in selecting the various external assessors for our promotion exercise.
90% of the procedure are uniform. Whether federal university or state or private, 90% of the procedure are uniform. NUC has a guideline.
Okay.
Yes, and I've conducted interview for federal universities.
Okay.
So 90% are uniform.
Okay. And 10% are unique to unique university in question. Since you have just
Whether university or department or faculty.
yes, 10%.
Everyone has their own rules here and there.
It's okay.
yes.
Please confirm to this court that you are aware you are aware the claimant submitted the names selected for the names of the various professors as external assessors that were selected by the Vice Chancellor. Please confirm that
It's not in my line of duty to confirm.
Oh dear.
It's not a problem with me.
so are you aware of yes, I've
It's coming up now.
Prof?
Yes.
So do you confirm, can you tell us this court categorically whether you are aware or not that the claimant submitted? I didn't hear the answer first. Oh, I didn't hear that. My sister went so. Okay. Now, Professor Akinola, you have said in your statement or note that the structure of law faculty, paragraph 8, my lord, you have said in paragraph 8 of your witness deposition. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Okay. So you have said in that paragraph that the structure of law faculties is treated as a mono program, in which context departments exist primarily for administrative convenience. That's what you
Yes.
said.
Yes.
But have you seen the guideline for assessment and promotion committee of Federal University of Oye-Ekiti? That's the first dependent. To see
You
whether
asked me before, and I said I saw it
Faculty
in
of
the
Law
year
is
2020 on their
a mono
website.
program.
Eh,
I can't hear
Can
you,
I
sir.
explain the mono nature of law? The degree you are leaving the university is called law, Bachelor of Law. It's not Bachelor of International Law or Bachelor of Company Law. So we only have department for administrative convenience. We are not strict when it comes to having departmentalization.
Oh, no, that's what I'm saying. Yes, you said general, but have you seen that of the university, Fuye?
And I said, the last time I visited their site in 2020, it was there.
And it was a mono program you saw there. That's what you're saying.
Law everywhere is mono program. There is nobody that runs through the green law except you want to do Islamic law. And it will still be under Faculty of Law. It's a mono program.
That is generally. I'm coming, my love. Are you aware in the first dependent that promotion exercise for senior lecturer to reader it commences from department level?
If they have enough professors, yes. If they have enough professors, yes, at that department. If they don't have, it's centralized. Like UNILAG now, they can do it at departmental level, University of Lagos, because they have enough professors.
So you confirm to me you're not aware of the sorry, I will come again on that question. You will confirm to this court they are not aware of the procedure adopted by the first dependent in carrying out the promotion exercise on the claimant.
It's a federal university. They won't depart from NUC standard and what the council gave them. It's the same procedure everywhere for law.
My lord, I'm not hearing the...
I said it is a federal university and they will not depart from NUC guideline. So it's the same procedure substantially. I've said that before. I said 90% is uniform.
But this particular procedure, what was adopted, just confirm in 2024. If you know, you say, yes, this was the exact procedure adopted. If not, you say, okay, maybe you believe it's the
not in my
general
line of
guideline.
duty. It's not in my line of duty.
Okay.
I was not one of the assessors. It's not in my line of duty.
Okay. Okay. I'm always going with people. Yes. So, Prof, I just have about 2 more questions on. So, Prof, from your experience as an external assessor,
Yes, I'm listening.
are there situations where, yes, so from your experience, sir, as an external assessor on different candidates, are there situations where the different assessors have different assessment reports, some favorable, and on that same candidate, another one not favorable?
Of course, but the candidate must have satisfied the university guideline before they send it out.
Okay.
The candidate must have satisfied every requirement of the university before they now send it out.
Okay.
So it can return either positive or negative. But if you have not satisfied the local requirements, they won't send you out for peer review.
Okay. So what I'm saying, there can be conflicting reports from different assessors. That's what you are
Sure,
saying.
there can
Okay.
be. My assessment is different from that of another professor.
Okay.
There can be.
So in a situation where the reports are conflicting from different external assessors, you agree with me that the university, or let's say the management, must tread carefully in acting on the reports, on the assessment report?
Sorry, my lord.
Yes, once 2 out of 3 is positive, the candidate should sail through. Once 2 out of 3 is positive, then the candidate qualifies for that cadre. Any 2 positive over 3, the candidate is okay.
Well, I did not ask you that question, sir. So I thank you for.
You said I should give you situation.
No, that's not what I said. My question is where there are conflicting reports.
And conflicting is in 2 ways now. If it's
Yes.
2 conflicting
Is it not true that the
hold
university
on, sir. You said
must
conflicting.
tread
Conflicting is in
carefully?
2 ways.
Yes. So is it not true the university must tread carefully in that regard? Yes or no?
I don't know what you mean by tread carefully. They have a guideline they are following.
On the reports.
Why are they not suddenly treading carefully?
If they are conflicting
Sorry,
reports,
sir. What do you mean by tread
yes
carefully?
or no? I'm not the one they are asking question. You can ask.
I can't just
the
answer
person that
anything.
brought you
I
here.
can't just answer anything. The question must be clear, sir.
Even
The
if
question
it's
must be
to
clear,
you,
sir.
it might not be clear to
You said tread carefully.
You say
Which one is
it's not
tread
clear.
carefully? What situation?
Where
It's
they are
not clear, sir.
conflicting.
The question
When
is
they are
not clear.
conflicting. When there are 2 conflicting reports in that situation. That's
And
it.
I said the conflicting is normally is 3. 3.
Oh, the whole 3 must be conflicting. Or what are you saying, sir? Yes, sir.
It is usually
Source. Yes, sir.
if there's a conflict and the two are positive,
Yes.
then the candidate is good.
So I have a follow-up question on that. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Say if that normally they have great assessors. If the report on the key assessors and two are positive,
Yes, sir.
then candidate is good.
To go.
Yes, conflicting can be in two ways.
Yes.
Conflicting,
Because
if
I've
it's
captured
one
the answer,
negative,
sir.
two positive, that's conflicting.
Yeah.
The candidate will go through. If
Yeah.
it's two negative, one positive, the candidate will not go through. If it's 3/3, the candidate will go through. If it's 0/3, the candidate will not go through. So there is nothing to tell creditfully
Okay.
because
So-
the guidelines are there.
Okay, so your position before this court, tell me if I'm right or wrong, is that the university has no discretion in acting on the report of the assessor. Once it comes in like that, if it's 2 against 3, if it's 2 against 1.
The university has a law, so it's not about discretion.
Come
The
again,
university has a university law.
The question.
Every university has a university law, so it's not discretion.
Okay.
The law set out what to do. Every university in
Well,
Nigeria and
that's what
outside Nigeria.
he said
Law.
once they are 2. Yes. Yes.
It's not about discretion, sir. Every university have their law.
Exactly, my lord.
Exactly.
But my lord, if my lord can allow me to read him on an opinion, this is an expert witness. It's not good to hear whether expertise.
That if two are negative, the candidate will not go.
Yes.
If the 3 are negative, candidate will not go.
So
If 2 are positive, one is negative.
yes, that's what I'm saying, and I want to confirm that answer.
He has stated it now.
No, let him ask. Let's hear him.
My lord, I'm grateful. This should be the second to the last. So I said, Prof,
Yes,
that
sir.
from your answer that once 2 reports are favorable and positive, that candidate automatically is promoted. That's what you are
In
saying,
line with
sir.
the university law, it's not discretionary. Every university has a law.
In
You have
line
to
with,
obey that law. Where you don't
in
obey
line
that
with
law,
that
then it will be
university law.
injustice.
Okay. In line with university law.
Yes,
That
it will be
is the,
injustice not to promote somebody who is qualified.
that is the guidelines you mean for promotion.
It's not only guideline, all the assessments.
It's not only what? So in line with the university law. Okay.
Yes.
Well, that's all for this.
Yes.
I don't know your examination. But not for clarity. The second subpoena.
Hold on, please. Hold on, one step. Professor Akinola,
Yes, my lord.
thank you very much. We appreciate
my
your
lord.
time. You are
Thank you, my
discharged,
lord.
please. You are
Thank you, my
discharged.
lord. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you. Yes, can I hear you now?
Yes, my lord. The second subpoenaed witness is only meant to bring a document to this court. It's not leading any testimony, just to bring a document before this court. So
Yes.
from we try to research the document. We don't know that document has come before my lord, sir.
Whatever you don't see here, it's not there. This document file contains all processes relating to this case. What you can't find there has not been received. Maybe it is still the registry, they've not transmitted to the court. So you may have to follow from the DR's office down to this place.
And just for clarification, my lord had given a directive that we did one that will come to testify. He's not testifying. We don't know if he will still need to do a witness statement.
Subpoena pecum is just to produce documents. So the witness will come, he will not be sworn, he will produce the document. I'll hand over the document back to you. It's not my document, it's your document. What you want to do with the document is your business. That's what the law provides. I can't even admit it as an exhibit.
As the court pleases. We are grateful, sir. In that circumstances, my lord, we still have 2 more witnesses.
Yes.
The claimant herself and the supreme witness.
Yes.
So the claimant, looking at this, we're asking for a case.
Yeah, any objection to the adjournment?
My lord, we cannot.
You want us to go on? I'm ready.
No, my lord, he's the one that brought me here. If I'm following his lead. If he tells us we should come back another time,
You're ready to go on.
gladly follow him. If he says
you're ready to go on.
If he says we should come back another time, I will gladly follow him.
Are you ready to go on?
So if
You can fire on.
he says that, I will know that it's time for me to be buried in this today. Yes. But my lord, I would also want to indicate because now I
don't bring the defendant's witness here.
Yeah, but the documents they want to produce. Yes. Okay.
Did you serve the subpoena? Lucy's take-home.
Yes. Let me see.
On the supreme witness.
No, not on the supreme witness. The procedure of this court is when you issue a subpoena, whether ad testificandum or Lucy's take-home, also serve the opposing party. Okay, so that's all.
Yes.
Please, sir, give me a date.
Just to know the documents. Okay. The external report.
Although the witness is online, the supreme witness.
Don't go back and
Yes, there's no application to hear in virtual. Abi? Was it granted? Only one person now. Where is one? Come and see. My battery is down.
So choose between 12th, 14th, or 19th of May.
May.
Yes, 12th, 14th, or 19th of May for the claimants to close her evidence. 12th, 14th, or 19th of May. Any of the dates, 12th, 14th, or 19th, for claimants to close. You can consult with the claimant. No, I gave you 3 dates, so choose any of the, just one date out of the 3 that are applicable to both parties. Okay. Yewa, Justice Yewa.
What's 14?
21st.
The first is complete.
Is it good for you? Thank you. Twenty-first May 2020. Please sit. Please sit. This case is adjourned to 21st May 2026 for the claimant to close her evidence.
There's even this on new developments in the course of the project, they change the management.
Okay.
The management that directed this to it starts off with an office, solution of ATM.
Okay.
I was informing you that after we submitted, they asked for the number of transfer families.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. I had mentioned that at the last date that I've reviewed the file and it's something that parties can resolve. So far, thank you for your cooperation. You know, we cannot do much without your assistance. We appreciate you.